Alright, so a few weeks ago, I decided I was going to take my 46 Chevy here, use it for a Christmas decoration. I always used my F100 in the past, but decided to go for this year. Anyway, this Chevy has been off the road from, best I can tell, 1968. The last time it was clean was well before then. But using of all things commercial floor polish, I was able to bring back the shine on this 60-year-old paint that hasn't seen any love in 57 years. I'll show you how I did it. Alright, so we washed it last night. I let it dry. Even in its dilapidated state, this paint job is not very good. Alright, so I was shooting another video on this car. I thought, hey, this might be another good standalone video. So what I'm doing right now is using floor polish to polish this old car. Now, there's a lot of products on the market out there for just this purpose. You know, vice grip garages, shine juice, poppies, patina, stuff like that. The thing is, I don't have time to wait on them. I need this done now. So I went to Lowe's, picked this up, high traffic floor polish. They make two formulas. The other one is wet look, but the problem with that is you gotta buff it a couple times a week to keep it looking like that. That's not gonna happen, so I'm using the high traffic, but it doesn't have to be buffed as much. Already gotten started, but anyway, I just take a rag, put some polish on it, and just go in a circular motion, polish the paint on the car. Ooh, rust your hands in there, it'll stick to the car. Try not to do that. A lesson learned. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the car, but I'm leaving the hood half done so y'all can see what it looks like without and with this. And I'll come back in a few months and put a short up. We'll see how this held up. I think I put a little too much on the rag back there. That's alright. Get it on there. Yeah, I'm going to put on the license plate too. Now I'm going to take another rag. Pretty much use it as you would use a floor buffer. Just go over it, brush it down a little bit. Need a little more time to stuff. It's still a little tacky there. That's fine. Alright, here we go. I've pretty much done the whole car except for this half of the hood and that fender. But you can really see the difference. So far, and that's only one coat, so far, I'm very satisfied with how the floor polish did. Hi, Caroline. Car's almost as shiny as you, baby. And yeah, here's another spot where you can see the difference. Yeah, I'm going to finish waxing it, probably go put a second coat on it because this paint is pretty dead, pretty dry. I think it'll benefit from a double coat. And then we're going to be ready to drag it up front and start decorating it. All right, so 2 layers of floor wax. I've given it a little time to set up, dry out, and I'm really kind of impressed that this is even still the same car. Now, how's it gonna hold up? I don't know. I'm using this car for a Christmas decoration, so it's going to be set up in the front yard in full sun for about a month and a half. And we will come back and take a look at it. I got a few takeaways. Alright, so first off, gloves. Good idea. Learned the hard way. Learn from me. Second, my wife was helping me, and she found when you had the heavily rusty areas, it worked better to dab the wets on rather than try to do this motion. Really, I just let it dry. Came back with a dry rag, did a little bit of a buff on it, and I'm really impressed with how she did. So anyway, hope that helps y'all out, and like I said, there will be a follow-up to this. So subscribe, like, do all that nice stuff, helps me out a lot, helps me bring y'all better stuff. And I'm going to get ready to use this one for a Christmas decoration.